Cold world, can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough.
Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this.
Hey you all, I'm back with another video and I'm DaeZhane for anybody who does not know. Today will be a review on this hair that I currently have in. It's not bundles, but it is crochet hair, but it's not like a regular crochet install. It's actually a crochet wig, and no, I didn't make it. So if you're familiar with my channel and you've seen some of my videos, then you'll notice that one of my videos I actually made a crochet wig from Freacherous Equals Deep Twist hair. And focus. Okay, so like I was saying, I actually took Freacherous Equals Deep Twist hair and I made a crochet wig myself out of that. So now companies are beginning to make their own crochet wigs and put them out on the market. So this I did not make, it came to me like this and I just styled it. This is not Freacherous Equals Deep Twist. This is actually by the brand Model. It is their Glance Oval Part Crochet Wig. And the style name is Beach Twist. So currently they only sell this wig in the color 1B, which is like an off black, and they sell it in the color 1, which is a like jet black. I got the 1B because I knew that I want to pull my hair out in the front, and my hair is more of a 1B than a 1. So the way that this wig is structured is actually made like a U-part wig. If you don't know what a U-part wig is, it's basically a wig that has a U opening where you can pull your own hair out as leave out, and you can place it on top to conceal the style. That is how it is made, but I use mine as a half wig. A half wig goes straight across and you just, you know, clip the hair back here. You can pull all of the front of your hair out to cover the base. So it's very versatile because you can use this hair as a U-part, or you can open it all the way up and use it as a half wig, which is great. So further into the construction, there are combs all around this wig. Like, it's just basically a big circle, and there's combs on the sides, the diagonal, front and down. Like, there's combs everywhere, so you just lock it in. If you still don't feel pretty secure with the combs, there's also a drawstring that you can pull in the back, and this drawstring is not the like annoying ones where you have to clip it and sometimes the clips get stuck in the back of your the nape of your hair. It's not like those. It's actually a real drawstring, so you just pull it until you can't pull it anymore. So that is good for girls who have small heads, girls who have big heads, and girls who you know, didn't really braid their hair underneath, so they don't have anything to really attach the clips to. They can just pull that drawstring and then that'll make it extra secure. And if you feel like you need even more security, then you can also add bobby pins. The cap is made out of mesh material, so if you do feel the need to, you know, insert bobby pins in the middle of your hair to like do a certain style, that is available to you. I know, like, if you have a spandex cap, it's kind of hard to get that bobby pin through, and the mesh material allows for you to be able to breathe, or allow for your hair to be able to breathe, because, you know, air can go in and out. In addition to being sent this wig, I also was sent their actual crochet hair in this style. So the good thing about this is, if you don't want to have leave out like mine for that U-part section or that half wig section, what you can do is use the wig, you know, buy the wig, put that on, buy their crochet hair, and then crochet the part that's in the U. So let's see how to say this. So you would put the wig on like I have, and then wherever I have leave out, I would just braid it, and I would get their crochet hair, and then I just crochet that onto my leave out or my braids, and that way you won't have to have any of your hair out. So pros about this wig is very convenient, it's very easy to apply. I love the style. I think wavy hair looks the best on me. It's very similar to Freacherous Equals Deep Twist, and that's one of my favorite curls to get. As far as tangling, you know, I can't really comb my hand through this at this point, but I mean, I really wouldn't want to, because then it's going to get super frizzy and it's going to mess up this pattern. So you don't really need to like comb your hands through this hair. If anything, you can just pull it apart like this if it starts to like get too matted. but the hair is very soft. The hair is long. I'm 5'4", and it comes, if stretched out, it comes to like my hip, but like it just kind of falls by my waist. So the hair is very long. I haven't experienced a lot of shedding, but like I said, I'm not combing my hands through either. Definitely do not comb this out with a brush or a comb. Like, if anything, like I said, just pull it apart if it gets too matted. So the only real con that I have about this hair is that you have to be careful how you lay it. I think because it is made necessarily, I think because it's made for the U-part style, they envisioned that you would just kind of wear your hair straight like this and then flat back here. But me, I like to do a little flip over. So if I was to like ignore the U-part section, stretch the wig all the way out, put a comb right here, put a comb right here, and leave out the front of my hair for like a flip over thing, I have to be careful that the middle and the back is not exposed, because you can kind of see where they loop the crochet into the wig. So it's not really a big deal, because, you know, it's really not a big deal. Like, the cap is black, it's not really a big deal. But I guess in some instances and under certain light, it can be a little noticeable. But at the same time, it's like, that's just me being me, trying to get more out of it, you know, trying to do a flip over style. And maybe this wig just isn't for that. So, you know, just keep that in mind. So what I am going to do for y'all is show you all how to style this wig. That would be in a separate video. This is just for the review. But, you know, I'll show you how to do the half up hairstyle that I did right here. And I'll show you that flip over method as well. And I might throw in a few other, you know, styles for you all. So this hair is on the market now, so you can go ahead and purchase it, and I'll try to find some links for y'all to purchase it from from stores that I've actually bought wigs from. The price seems to be around $30, which is definitely not bad. That's pretty much how much you would spend to just crochet it regularly. So, you know, you might as well go ahead and get a wig. You won't even have to put that time in, you know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down below, and please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I have more tutorials coming your way.